welcome back to my channel. This is Brad with Brad Unboxing. First off, I want to take a moment and apologize for not uploading any content last week. As you know, I was in an accident in January, and then there was another auto accident in February. So I'm trying to deal with the repercussions of that and the toll it's taken on my body. And last week I was definitely feeling out of it, so I didn't get a chance to make content, so I apologize. Today I'm going to unbox a set. So it's actually 2 pieces, and we'll do it in one video. Hopefully that makes up for not making any content last week, but get right into it. So excited today because this pieces, they're actually in the taller cylindrical box, which is what I've told you about, but I haven't showed you until now. So here it is. Little backstory, these pieces are actually part of Swarovski's Asian collection, or Asian symbols or figurines collection. I have dancing lions with them. They also have Hello Kitty. They have a waving cat. They have a Buddha, different forms of the Buddha, as well as different sizes. So this one, I'm a big fan of the coloring books for adults, which a lot of those are I guess Americanized versions of mandalas. So these pieces actually have mandalas on them. I'm such a big fan of it. I actually have a tattoo that has a mandala that is on my left calf. It also has the silhouette of a French bulldog because, as I have shown the French bulldog figurine here, we do have one, and I absolutely love the breed. They are a great companion to have. But enough about that, let's get the pieces out of their box. Okay, there's that little information insert. Always a big piece that we look for. These ones have, so in these type cases or boxes, I guess, they do give you the foam inserts, and then inside of there, that is where your pieces are at. This one, instead of just being a standard half moon kind of insert in it, it actually has the reverse of the figurine, so that way when you close it, it is keeping it nice and secure. But here they are. These are the lucky elephants in Swarovski's Asian Symbols collection. But let me get a pair of gloves on and I'll get both of them out. Alright, so I have the gloves on. We'll go ahead and get the first one out. This is our first little elephant, which has the trunk almost at a smaller point, and this one has a yellow and pink mandala painted on each side. And then the companion for this is the other elephant, who has his head raised up and the trunk higher, and then he has those beautiful green and blue mandalas. And then definitely the eyes as well. Let's see if we can get them together. There they are. So definitely cute little figurines. You know, they're not much bigger than that inch and a half mark on height, and as well as the size, but they're definitely cute. They have the, I guess, whimsical painted mandalas on them, very traditional in the sense of the way that they're shaped, but they do have those fun colors. So now we're going to take our up close look at those. There they are, sparkling. Make someone's day special with this pair of lucky elephants. A cute and playful interpretation of a traditional Asian symbol. Each one is beautifully crafted with 484 crystal facets and embellished with a colorful printed patterns inspired by the ancient Indian tradition of painting ornamental designs on elephants, representing luck, wisdom, protection, and strength. And what they're referring to is the ornamental designs would be those mandalas. And you know what's really interesting about mandalas is you actually can find them, they're very historical. You find them not only in religion, across the world, in Asian religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, and the different variations of those. Hinduism, there's actually political meaning to them, but you do find those in Christianity, which I know you're probably thinking, why would there be an Asian symbol in Christianity? But if you ever go to a church that has stained glass windows, the round windows that have the different photos, or the different, not photos, but images to them, those would be considered mandalas. Also to the Middle East with the Persians. So mandalas are definitely, well, everybody says it's an Asian symbol. You find it not only in religion, but inside of politics, as well as the different religions that are out there, like I said. But these two are beautiful, each with, like I said, that 484 crystal facets. They are an amazing part of the collection. I was so excited to get these. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but who knows, maybe they'll make some down the road. But they are definitely some of my favorite pieces. And yes, I know I do say that a lot, but I would say that these are pretty close up there on the list because I do love elephants. Bucket list, at some point we'll be able to go somewhere and see a baby elephant, hopefully at a rescue or a outdoor wildlife center for elephants. Definitely not those that are in zoo or captivity, as that is not their natural place. Hope you enjoyed that up close video of these two beautiful elephants, their characteristics and their personalities. Even though they're inanimate objects, you definitely can feel, like, you know, this one is, he's blowing his trunk, making that loud noise. This one, you know, is more of kind of in the scenes, still very pretty, got that mandala painted on it. But I hope you learned some information not only about the crystal piece, but as well as the art that is on it with the mandala. But let me set these down. Alright, I do want to thank you for coming to watch the video today. Again, I apologize that I skipped a week. Just needed some time and didn't want to force a video and it not be up to the standard that I have. Also did get a new background, which is a lot better than the curtains. Yes, those were curtains that I had before. I still need to figure out how to iron this thing or steam it because it's got the creases in it, but that is for another time, not on camera. So again, thank you for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the video as well as learning about the art that is on them. And if you have any questions, please make sure you leave your comments. Go ahead, like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way you're updated every time we put up new content. You can also find me on Facebook at Brad Unboxing. And we're hoping to launch one other social platform. We just haven't decided which one to go with yet. But again, this is Brad with Brad Unboxing. Thank you for watching.